breaking news. I know this is supposed to be the last day of the tournament. However, there's been a lot of interest, especially now since the Spanish Mackerel have been coming through. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend it throughout the entire month of July as well. If you haven't already, you can register right here at dragtickerfishing.com or fishingthefit.com. Now, in case you guys are wondering, right now, first place right now, as it sits, is 24 inches. Now, once again, the Drag Taker Series Tournament, Part 2, Spanish Mackerel, has been extended to the end of July. You can register at dragtickerfishingcharters.com or at Fishing the Fit.